Finally, the day is here. I just can't put my feelings in words at how it feels. I believe that all those sessions, multiple orientation, late night shifts, finding ways through every possible glitches has paved the way. I, Saloni Singh, the delegate affair head of the Opine EMUN, would like to take this opportunity to welcome all of you, the guest of honor, Dr. Pushpa Sinha, Associate Professor, Head of Department of Economics, Magad Mahila College, Patna University, members of the Senior Secretariat, the Honorable Executive Board panel, and our beloved delegates. I'm honestly numb because it was hardly 1 month back, maybe when we decided to initiate a venture like this, and it's happening today. I mean, seriously, guys, it's happening. It's, I mean, I can't believe this. It's unbelievable for me. The Opine EMUN believes in the vision of raise and rights, and we work tenaciously on that. The vision that the senior secretariat believes to have for the Opine is to not just nurture the art of debating, but public speaking at the large, and too, especially for the young minds of Bihar and Jharkhand, who are completely aloof of this side of the world at the comfort of their homes. We believe that by dint of this event, we will definitely be able to culminate at least 1% of what we envisioned it to. Opine must might merely look like a model United Nations and a youth parliament conference, but let me tell you, it's more than that. We recently had a Prarambh with two eminent speakers, which was free certificate workshop open for all for their personality development, which had a massive participation of students. Just not this, we had other few benches as well, which included free training workshops for students and around Bihar and Bihar Jharkhand. Now, without any further ado, because I know all of you are equally excited for the committees to start and get into the power pack of debate, I would like to now give it over to the president of Opine EMUN, Miss Ayushi Ranjan. Before I call her, I want to tell you to know that little about her. Ayushi is third year student of law and an ardent debater and an MUNer. Even since her childhood, she has been in MUN circuit of the country for more than 7 years now, and she hails from Bihar. She envisioned to be a civil servant. Over to you, Ayushi.
Thank you so much, Saloni ma'am, for such a warm introduction. A very warm and pleasant good morning to all of you who are listening to us from different corners. My name is Ayushi. Most of you will definitely be knowing me. In case you don't, I'm the president of the Opine EMUN. Not to forget your moderator, yes, Saloni ma'am. She has been the pillar of this event. Right from the day we launched this event to calling up her at awkward hours to making her, get awake at night and not letting her have dinner and breakfast. We have done every possible thing. But yes, in case you have experienced this till now, well and good. If you haven't, I'm sure that you are there to experience how motherly, how carefree, and yes, how motivational she is for everybody who is around her. Coming on to, I would also like to take this privilege to welcome the Honorable Executive Board panels for the three committees that we have, the Lok Sabha, the United Nations General Assembly, and not to forget the emergency meet delegates. Your Executive Board panels are the best fit captains that we could find for you people to learn the most out of in the course of the 2 day event. Therefore, we at Opine do not expect you to be very ardent debaters or very passionate debaters. We want you to be passionate people who can at the end of the day present themselves, who can at the end of the day speak, right? Because you know within a night or maybe with a shift of time, you cannot turn out to be ultimate debaters. What is important is for you is to just present yourselves in a manner that you're able to express, and that is all that we have envisioned for you, we have planned for you, and we have tried our best to give it to you. Also, here at Opine, we believe that if you are once a member of the Opine, you will always be a member of the Opine, and we definitely look forward to work with each one of you, to serve each one of you in the coming course of time. In case everything allows us to, without taking much of your time, I would head it over to Saloni ma'am, because yes, she has a lot of things planned for you. There is a bunk of things that we have planned for you, which is definitely taken care of by her, the team of the virtual socials that she has mentioned. I would also want to take this privilege to acknowledge the presence and the blessings of Professor Dr. Pushpa Sinha, who is right now the head of the department economics in Magad Mahila College and has been serving as one of the most senior lecturers for a decade over now. She is a philanthropist, she is an ardent reader, as well as a research scholar as well. A lot of students who are right now pursuing their PhD in and through Bihar and Jharkhand are doing it under the aegis of Professor Dr. Pushpa Sinha. Without wasting any more minute, I would like to switch on the floor to her so that she can bless us with her worthy words and blessings.
Greetings, dear delegates. I am very happy to be here today and welcoming all of you students from India and around the world for the 2 days conference which opens today. It is a very significant and meaningful event from many point of view. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of the Open Moon, and the organizing committee is doing great job for bringing such incredible platform. If you are interested in the working and organizational structure of Indian Parliament, or if you are interested in the international diplomacy and organizational structure of United Nations, this conference will provide you an arena where students can hone their personality to researching skills to speaking skills and build confidence inside them. मैं टीम ओपिन का के उसके हार्ड वर्क के लिए बधाई देना चाहती हूँ, जिन्होंने इतने कठिन समय में भी आज के युवाओं को इस दिशा में प्रेरित करने की और दिशा दिखाने के ओर इनको उन्मुख किया, क्योंकि भविष्य में देश का स्वरूप कैसा हो ये बहुत कुछ युवाओं के सोच पर ही निर्भर करता है, और आज के भारत का निर्माण कैसा होगा इसकी तैयारी एवं जिम्मेदारी युवाओं को आज से ही ले लेनी होगी, ताकि आने वाले समय में हम समाज एवं संसार को रहने लायक एक बेहतर जगह बना सकें. Model United Nation or Moon is a very popular concept today, where students' role playing is very important. The aim is to provide students with an idea of diplomacy which handling public relations at the international level. That being said, it would not be incorrect to assume that a majority of students today do not have a fair knowledge of the functioning of the United Nations, and that being Indian, we know little about the functioning of the Indian Parliament also. This is precisely the idea behind the model United Nations and Youth Parliament, and this conference is very much significant and hold a lot of value in your CV as well as skill and knowledge development in the respective field. I was told that we have students from class 6 onwards who are participating in this conference. It's one productive thing that we all are doing right now in the pandemic situation, that this is incredible to see such large participation of students from all over. मैं एक बार फिर तहे दिल से पूरे टीम को धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ, जिन्होंने इस क्राइसिस के समय में भी इस इवेंट को सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए काफ़ी प्रयास किया. थैंक यू. विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.
It is well said that you need a apt captions to run the teams, and I guess Opine had been lucky enough to find the best fits for the committees. We have three major committees: the Lok Sabha, the Emergency Meet, and the United Nations General Assembly. I would request the Executive Board of United Nations General Assembly to kindly address the delegates.
Hi, I'm Nivedita Pandey and I'm a graduate from Delhi University in history and now I'm preparing for competitive exams. I am very delighted to be a part of the Opine Model United Nations that is going to be held on the 1st and 2nd. And I wish good luck to all the delegates and I'll be chairing United Nations General Assembly. Cannot wait to see you all on the 1st and 2nd. Good luck everybody.
Hello, my name is Simran Verma and I'll be serving as the Vice Chairperson in the United Nations General Assembly in the first edition of the Opine EMUN. I'm extremely delighted to be a part of this conference and I'll be trying to work to the maximum of my capacity to make this conference and the noble cause that it supports a successful one. And I hope that I live up to the expectations of the organizing committee, and I'm looking forward to a great conference ahead. Thank you so much.
Now, I would request the Executive Board of Lok Sabha to kindly address the delegates.
Hello everyone, I am Pran Priyavats. I am pursuing my graduation in political science from Banaras Hindu University. I am going to moderate the Lok Sabha committee for the next 2 days. I would like to thank Saloni and Ayushi for giving me this opportunity. So dear delegates, best of luck at your desk tomorrow. Thank you.
Greetings, delegates. I am Varun Kalantri. I'll be chairing Lok Sabha in Opine Eman. I have been in the Manning circuit for past 3 years and done over 20 MUNs in various capacities. I am also the founder of Nagpur Diplomatic Summit. I won't take much of your time, but just say if you win or lose, doesn't matter. What matters is your presence here. So I'll be working hard and will give my best to give you the best kind of debate you have ever seen. Thank you.
Now, last but not the least, I would request the EB of Emergency Meet to kindly address the delegates. Over to you, sir.
A very good morning to all the people who are listening me, and a very big congratulations to the whole team for putting up this beautiful conference, and I hope you all have a very nice, knowledgeable and fruitful experience in the upcoming days. A thing which I would love to say in this conference is that democracy is all about discussion and deliberation. And I think in an MUN, in this MUN or many MUNs, whichever you do, you actually reach that core or essence or the cornerstone of democracy, which is solely resting upon deliberation and respecting each other's views, respecting diversity, respecting inclusion and acceptance, and how to actually honor what our ancestors have carved for us. And I hope you all have a great conference ahead. I'm super excited to meet you all and share my thoughts with you. Thank you so much.
Greetings everyone. My name is Sneha Singh and I'm 16 years old, currently in class 11, studying in Lakshmi Public School. I've been part of MUNs from past 4 years and I'm a really passionate MUNer. I've chaired committees at national level as well as international level, and today I'm here at Opine EMUN as the Vice Chair of Emergency Meet. For me, MUNs are more of a learning experience rather than just a competition, and the only message from my side to all the delegates is that the secret of getting ahead is getting started. So do your best and make it a memorable experience for yourself and for everyone. So all the best from my side. I know you all will do good.
I'm honestly overwhelmed by the blessings and worthy words of the Honorable Executive Board panel. Last but not the least, we have packed a surprise for all of you. We understand that you might be having a lot of underlying rust and panic going on. Don't worry. We have got it sorted to help all of you to calm your nerves. Therefore, sit back, take a glass of juice and enjoy. I welcome the team of virtual socials to please take the floor.
Hey everyone, good morning, one and all present here. Thank you for being here today with us. First of all, I would like to thank the entire team of the Opine EMUN for giving us a wonderful opportunity So I believe we should give it a start with any further delay. So let's welcome Asan Verma. लेकिन इनको बुलाने से पहले इनके बारे में कुछ जान लीजिए। आवाज में खनक के साथ जुड़ी संगीत से ऐसे हर जर्रे में घूमता संगीत हो जैसे। आसन वर्मा।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. यही डूबे दिन मेरे, यही होते हैं सवेरे, यही मरना और जीना, यही मंदिर और मदीना, तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां मुझको भावे, गलियां तेरी गलियां, तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां यूं ही तड़पावे, गलियां तेरी गलियां। तू मेरी नींदों में सोता है, तू मेरे अश्कों में रोता है, सरगोशी सी है ख्यालों में, तू ना हो फिर भी तू होता है सिला, तू मेरे दर्द का, मेरे दिल की दुआएं हैं, तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां मुझको भावे, गलियां तेरी गलियां, तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां यूं ही तड़पावे, गलियां तेरी गलियां। Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashin Verma. I believe your voice has touched the participants the way it has touched me. And everybody who is listening you at one there. अब इतनी अच्छी माहौल के बाद I would like to call upon Dhruv with his शायरी and poetry. रावण नाम के साथ एक अलग पहचान होती है इनकी। समाज की हर बुराई को रावण में समा लेते हैं और प्यार के नाम पे बस राधा राधा ही जपते हैं। So the stage is now yours, Dhruv.
Thank you, ma'am, for this wonderful intro. So I would like to start my poetry. So let's get started. कि आसमां भी रोया था, धरती भी थरथराई थी। आसमां भी रोया था, धरती भी थरथराई थी। किसी को ना मालूम था यारो, किस घड़ी मौत ये आई थी। एक माँ भी रोई थी, एक माँ भी रोई थी, एक भाई भी रोया था। रोया पूरा हिंदुस्तान था, लेकिन भारत माँ के लिए ये व्यर्थ नहीं बलिदान था, ये व्यर्थ नहीं बलिदान था। जब तिरंगे से लिपटा मेरा शव वापस आया मेरे मकान था। गर्व से उठा वो कंधा, मैं बैठ देख जहाँ पूरा संसार था। खुशी तो तब मिली, हाँ खुशी तो तब मिली जब माँ ने सड़क पे आंसुओं के बीच आके दी सलामी की। हाँ मैं गर्व से कहता हूँ ये व्यर्थ नहीं बलिदान था, ये व्यर्थ नहीं बलिदान था। जी करता है दोबारा उड़ जाने को, इस देश के लिए कुछ कर गुजर जाने को, लेकिन हम कफन से उठ पाते नहीं, लेकिन हम कफन से उठ पाते नहीं। मेरे यार ढक लेते हैं मुझे तिरंगे से, मेरे यार ढक लेते हैं मुझे तिरंगे से, क्योंकि दुश्मनों को पीठ और अपनों को हम जख्म दिखाते नहीं। मेरे यार ढक लेते हैं मुझे तिरंगे से, क्योंकि दुश्मनों को पीठ और अपनों को हम जख्म दिखाते नहीं। हाँ मैं गर्व से कहता हूँ ये व्यर्थ नहीं बलिदान था, ये व्यर्थ नहीं बलिदान था। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू ध्रुव, तुम्हारी हर एक लाइन ने मुझे हिट किया और तुम्हारी इस पोइट्री की कुछ लाइन से मुझे मेरी कुछ पोइट्रीज की लाइन याद आ गई। ओढ़ कर तिरंगा कफन हर कोई नहीं आता माँ, मेरे आने पे आंसू ना बहाओ तुम, गर्व से भर लो इन आंखों को मगर मेरे जाने का गम ना मनाओ तुम। Now I would like to welcome Mr. Aditya Utpal with his wonderful voice and guitar. खामोशी के साथ एक हल्की सी आहट आएगी, खामोशी के साथ एक हल्की सी आहट आएगी और सब बस उस आवाज में खो जाएंगे। वेलकम आदित्य, नाउ द स्टेज इज ऑल योर।
Thank you so much, Isha. जब से मन्नतें पूरी तुमसे ही, तुम ही जहां मेरा जहां है वहाँ, रौनकें सारी तुमसे ही पिया रे पिया, पिया रे पिया रे पिया, पिया रे पिया, पिया रे पिया रे पिया, पिया रे पिया, पिया रे पिया रे पिया, पिया रे पिया रे पिया, पिया रे पिया रे पिया। सोच में पड़ा था, कैसे जी रहा था मैं दीवाना। चुपके से आके तूने दिल में समा के तूने छेड़ दिया कैसा ये फसाना। हो मुस्कुराना भी तुझी से सीखा है, दिल लगाने का तू ही तरीका है। एतबार भी तुझी से होता है, लगा के मैं कभी बाहें हैं तेरी जिंदगी है नहीं कि तुझे ना मिलूंगा खुदा कि तेरी गलियों में इस तरह आऊंगा हर पहर। मेरे सफर क्या तुझे तेरी सी खबर कि तेरी सांसें चलती उम्र भर रहूंगा बस वहीं उम्र भर। थैंक यू।
वाह आदित्य, सच में हम लोग आपकी आवाज में बिल्कुल खो से गए थे. Now I would like to call Yoshita with her melodious voice with poetry. Now stage is all yours, Yoshita.
Thank you, ma'am. When the greenwoods laugh with the voice of joy, and the dimpling stream turns laughing fast. When the air does laugh with a merry way, and the greenwoods laugh with the noise of when the meadows with the lively green, and the grasshoppers laugh in the meadows green. When Mary, Susan, and Emily, with their sweet round mouth, sings ha ha. When the painted birds laugh in the shade, when our tables with cherries and nuts is spread, come live and be merry and join with me to sing sweet toes ha ha. To sing sweet toes ha ha. Thank you.
Such a lovely voice you have, Yoshita. Thank you. Now, last but not the least, I would like to welcome Mr. Shubham Paul with his extraordinary energy and voice. Now, stage is all yours, Shubham.
Thank you so much for giving me this platform. आज अगर भर आई है बूंद के बरस जाएंगे, कल क्या पता किन के लिए आँखें तरस जाएंगे। जाने कब गुम हुआ कहाँ खोया, एक आंसू छुपा के रखा था, तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी हैरान हूँ मैं, वो हैरान हूँ तेरे मासूम सवालों से परेशान हूँ मैं, वो परेशान हूँ मैं। जीने के लिए सोचा ही नहीं दर्द संभालने होंगे। मुस्कुराए तो मुस्कुराने के कर्ज उतारने होंगे। मुस्कुराऊं कभी तो लगता है जैसे होठों पे कर्ज रखा है। तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी, हैरान हूँ मैं, हो हैरान बिना तेरे कोई दिलकश नजारा हम न देखेंगे। तुम्हें ना हो कसम उसको दोबारा हम न देखेंगे। तेरी सूरत ना हो जिसमें हो, तेरी सूरत ना हो जिसमें वो शीशा तोड़ देंगे हम। अगर तुम मिल जाओ जमाना छोड़ देंगे हम। तुम्हें पाकर जमाने भर से रिश्ता छोड़ देंगे हम। अगर तुम मिल जाओ जमाना छोड़ देंगे हम। अगर तुम मिल जाओ जमाना छोड़ देंगे हम। हे कैसे बताए कैसे जताए सुबह तक तुझ में जीना चाहे। भीगे लबों की खिली हंसी को पीने का मौसम है, पीना चाहे। एक बात कहूँ क्या इजाजत है, तेरे इश्क की मुझको आदत है। एक बात कहूँ क्या इजाजत, तेरे इश्क की मुझको आदत है। ओ, आदत है, आदत है। ओ, आदत है। एहसास तेरे और मेरे तो एक दूजे से जुड़ रहे। एक तेरी तलब मुझे ऐसी लगी, मेरे होश भी उड़ने लगे। मुझे मिलता सुकून तेरी बाहों में, जन्नत जैसी एक रात है। एक बात कहूँ क्या इजाजत है, तेरे इश्क की मुझको आदत है। एक बात कहूँ क्या इजाजत है, तेरे इश्क की मुझको आदत है। ओ, आदत है, आदत है। ओ, आदत है। Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
All the best. Wow, Subham, literally such a poised and melodious voice you have. You just changed the environment. Thank you,
Thank you so
everyone.
much.
Thank you for joining. All the best.
That was an amazing performance. I hope all of you have goofed enough as I did backstage. Without spending any more minutes, I give it over to the President to declare the conference to open.
Thank you, Saloni ma'am. It was an amazing performance. I would personally take this opportunity and this privilege to thank the entire team of the Virtual Socials, because performing virtually on Zoom or any platform for that matter is very difficult when you haven't done anything of that sort before, right? So I am ultimately very happy seeing the way you guys performed, and I'm equally sure that everyone who's listening you out there will be, happier as well. I hope we have been able to, calm your nerves down, because see, this might be a competition, but at the end of the day we are here to teach you as to how you can cooperate between different dichotomies of opinions, right? So yeah, without any further time, because I believe we are already short of time, your opening ceremony was only scheduled till 10:45, so we possibly will definitely stick up to the time. Therefore, I, the president of the Opine EMUN, would like to declare this event open. Now, you may follow your respective WhatsApp groups wherein you'll get the links. Also, there are certain guidelines that I believe you would have been acknowledged with a day before the event, which was in relation to the rejoining, because the link suspends every time after 40 minutes. So it is expected out of you to rejoin after 40 minutes, because your presence is mandatory in all these sessions, right? Uh, so as to make sure that you are present and you get the participation certificate also, because we also have our mandate and we need to stick to that. So in case you fail, nothing can be done from our part. The second most important thing is that, yes, once you enter into the committee room, please, delegates, make sure you mute your mics and you turn your cameras on, even though your committee assistants are going to be there. But do not give your executive board or your committee assistants a chance to notice you or to point you out in a committee of maybe 15 or 20 or whatsoever people. So yeah, you can follow your committee groups, and all the very best. I hope to see you tomorrow, and thank you.